Hi everyone, welcome back in with video series of the problem solving of Leetcode. So today we are going to solve a problem where we need to validate the Sudoku. First of all, we need to understand what is a Sudoku. We every time we are seeing in a newspaper we are printed like a nine box and they put it some number in that. So that how that is going to work and that only we need to validate. So we have in a Sudoku 9 cross 9 matrix like 2-day array 9 cross 9 and every l- rows have 1 to 9 number only and every column also having 1 to 9 only and each set of 9 boxes should be a on only 1 to 9 number. Take example, this is like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, all the 9 rows 9 columns and each box having a 9. So these only we need to validate. So given like they are not going to be a duplicate and each box is also not going to have a duplicate number. So that only we need to validate. For that what we need to do, we need to create a like a mat like how what are the things having in these rows, what are the things having in this column, and what is having in this mat box, and then we can validate 1 to 9 anything coming duplicate or anything, then we return going to return a false, otherwise we going to return a true. So first of all, take example, r- top level what we going to return without validation true. This is the first basic. Before that what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a row all rows of this. Okay, so rows by that what I'm going to create from rows array. I already explained this from previous video. This is going to create a row for us, and here we need to provide a length that how many rows we need. In that 9 we are defining. Okay, and what we are going to do, we're going to create a arrays arrays 9 9 length, and I'm filling with a false all the value. Okay, I can reduce this part with a false. Second, what I'm going to create same as that, I'm going to create all the 9 columns for us. This become a rows and columns. But we need also up all the boxes, which also having a 9 boxes. So box, I can put a box. Okay, box. So every three direction we found, like what are the things we need to validate, every time I put it a false. So this is a 2D array, so we need to go with a for loop from where let rows, row is the key. Okay, here iteration key, column, row, till where we need to able to go, till 9, correct, 0 to 9, and rows plus plus. This become a rows iteration. Second, what we going to do, second we going to copy call column iteration. We are two dimensional, we are traversing each and everything, correct, and in this we're going to find the cell. Cell means this particular cell, single cell like 5 we are having. So we are going to check const cell equal to, what is the cell, we are going to get a cell from the board. Okay, board and row. So board have a two direction, so one is a row One is a row, second is a column. This we got a cell. We can console that all. So dot log cell. We're going to get each and every cell of that given input. Let's see. We going to get this is a dot, correct? See, uh, here we can go and see all the rows and column we are getting one by one at able to iterate on a board. See, first we are going on a this 8 first we got. Okay, everything we are getting properly. Here we are able to traverse. See if we can able to see that board. See 5 3 everything we are able to iterate. Now we need to check in that particular cell and rows and column everything is unique or not. So let's try to doing that. Okay, we got a cell. We need to do we need to find out the cell, every cell what is the value, correct? So const this they are saying they are having a character, so we need to convert in the string. So for that what we need to do, num before that we need to check the cell is not empty, then only we can like if cell is, why I'm putting a dot, I'll let you know. Give me a minute. Not equal to. See, when we have nothing, that time they are putting a dot. Due to that, I'm checking that cell is not having a dot. It means not empty. They can put anything that time, correct? Next, what we can do? We can take a string and convert in a number. So parse number, we can put num equal to parse intl int cell. This is going to give convert in the number, but we know our array is starting from 0 to 9. So what happened, I'm decreasing, and here we going to start from the 1. Due to that, I'm reducing 1 and making a equal matching with the 0 to 9, like 0 to 8, that 8 digit we are going to make, like consider 1 is a 0, 2 is a 1, like that I'm doing for that. And let const, otherwise we need to do like different way. Okay, math k, I'm going to check that like a box, that box cell where we are having, in which cell we are having, correct? That I'm going to check. So calculating that, what we need to do, math, see what how that is going to calculate it. These all things having a division of 333. So first uh, divide the row where you are having with the 3, and divide the column where you are having by 3. That will give you where you are landing. Like if we are having like a rows, like take example 1 2 3 4. If you are having a 4, so divide by 3 and 4, so that become a 1 dot something that is going to come. So I will take a floor of that floor goes to a second box, correct, like that. And same we can do with a column also. So like that we going to land with a particular box. तो लिख जाए box index. I can put box index. This is a good name. Okay, math dot flow, and what is we are having row divided by 3, because we are having a everything with a 3 3, multiply by same thing we are going to do with a column. Okay, so that we are going to land with our particular things. This can be conflict box columns. I can give columns boxes. Okay, okay, we got all the three indexes and values, and all the three indexes like a row index, column index, and box index. Now we need to calculate check their values, correct? Now for checking that values, what we going to do, what next we are going to do here, we are going to check if rows rows of I rows of row. Okay, rows of rows of rows of number. Where is there? Where is that? Or this is like that a number is already exist in that particular rows. Same thing I can do with the column. This I checked in a rows. I can check in a column. Same thing I can do with the box or operation. So any of them going to true, that is going to be inside the if condition. And here what we are having k is a box, correct? And number index where we are landing. This number is like we are converted number respect to the particular index. Okay, and then return false, else I can set all three. I can set true true true. Okay, okay, okay. I'm setting that value. If that is not the case in a iteration, then set a true. If that row, it means that is traversed properly. See, current previously I put it a false, correct? Okay, let's try to run. Where we are having k. That box index we are putting, correct? What we are getting? We are getting false. Okay, okay. Rows. This is fine. 1 2 3 plus this will be 4. What happens, say how we are going to calculate that all things I can d1. See, this is running a row wise, one row, two row, three row. This is run second loop is running for a column wise, first column, second column, first column, second column, third column. And this is like we are getting all the cells from the board. What is input? If that is not input, that time I'm converting this uh, cell respective that how much count we are like 0 to 9. So due to that I'm subtracting one and converting that string to the number. And this is I'm calculating a box where we are landing, which box we are first, second or third, or row wise or column wise. This is like a I'm taking a math dot floor row divided by 3 row divided by 3. Like take example, we are here 4 3 something and multiply by 3. So that give a respective rows. Like take example, here we are having a 4 4 is a multiply floor will be 1 1 multiply 3 plus this value what we are having column. So there we are going to get a particular column which index we are having that thing, and we are returning that. Let's submit that. Yeah, it's accepted. Runtime also good. Where I'm writing very basic. Okay, we can optimize. Oh, console I'm putting that is also going to take it some time. Okay. Yeah, see, removing console this increase me more faster. Yeah, because we are doing a console now, due to that will be happening. Okay, so uh thank you for watching my videos, and if you like my video, go and subscribe my channel and support me. And I'm not asking anything more. If you are liking or continue want to learn something in a programming and JavaScript, so please stay tuned, subscribe my channel, and help me with your comments what you needed in a future videos. And I'm also designing a JavaScript full-fledged course, YouTube course for you all. And next I'm having a JavaScript design pattern course also in a lineup. I will design that all and upload that video, because that are in a work in a progress. So your support is more important for me. So continue supporting and continue watching and learning new things. Thank you. Bye bye.